Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Tony Rivera. This is Dream Car Driving. Welcome back to the channel. It's not really off to a good note today. Going in my shed right now. I have some bad news. The other day I went to drive and my tire went flat and I went over a bump and scraped something under, and next thing you know I have coolant leaking everywhere. I get home, car wasn't overheating, so I'm just hoping it's something not too serious. I'll get to you guys in a moment. Excuse how she looks right now. She is not prepared to be on camera, but here's what's going on. This is something you really do not want to see or deal with. No one wants to deal with any car issues, but that's part of ownership. It's kind of a bummer because my next vlog was about me learning how to do burnouts, because I honestly don't know how to do burnouts, and it's something I would love to do. You know, I follow people like Daily Driven Exotics. I don't want to do anything too extreme, but I want to have fun with my car, not do anything reckless. You have other people like from the Beamer fam and Post It Up who do burnouts with their BMWs, who I like to look and get inspired from because they own BMWs and I own this little baby 330 right here. Well, that's really to it. I'm gonna get back with you guys. We're gonna continue this vlog, and yeah. So right now we're under my car. I'm sorry for all the noise. The engine is on, obviously. You can see right under the coolant reservoir, it's leaking. You can see that it's dripping. So somewhere I may have like a hairline fracture in the plastic, but I definitely do have a coolant leak. I'm just happy it's not something more extreme, like a leaking water pump or something of that matter. So I'm gonna go online right now and I'm gonna get the part that I need to get this job done. Update everyone, I was able to take off the expansion tank thanks to Shop Life Vlogs. They specifically deal with BMW vehicles on how to do DIYs on the cars without breaking anything. They do everything really professionally, and I also advise to watch 50s Kids, who is also a good DIY channel for BMW E46 content. So yeah, it's off. And we're gonna go to the next step, but I'm gonna save that for another day. So till then, you guys enjoy your night. Hey, what's up fam? Today is not my day. On my way to work today, and I had a big no-no. I couldn't avoid it. I hit 2 geese, and that's all she wrote. I'm gonna show you the damage right now. I'm staying positive. It's not that big of a deal. Kind of upset, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys right now. So here is the extent of the damage. Right here, right on the hood, the grill, which I really don't care about. I was actually going to replace it online. Headlights seem perfectly intact. All you can see is all this bird guts, which is pretty sick. I'm not leaving it like this now. Ugh. There's the tongue of the bird right there. Oh. But she will move on. She'll be fine. At least it's nothing too serious. Dang it. I hope, you know, my radiator's not leaking or anything like that. So, hopefully, my radiator ain't leaking. I don't see anything under there. Sorry about the quality. This is with my phone camera. So, yeah. Now onto the bird. So after the car being cleaned up, this is what has happened. I got a dent right here. The grill right here was hit. The exterior for the most part is fine. I'm okay. The car is pretty much intact. Nothing too serious. But there you go, going 50 miles an hour. Thank God it went right into the grill. The inside is fine, the radiator is fine, the radiator support is fine. But look, this bird right here isn't. This bird is a goner. Yep. This is where the birds resided. I'm sorry. I just want to let you guys know that anything in life is replaceable. This could have been a lot worse. I had my convertible top down. I had my son in the back seat. Thank God my daughter was with me. She's a little bit older. She would have been scarred for life. Once I hit one of the geese, went into my grill. The other one hit my windshield and just laid there tumbling back and forth with my convertible top down. That was kind of scary because, you know, going 50 miles an hour, the birds flew towards me, not from to the side or anything. I couldn't slow down that much, and there was a oncoming traffic, so what could I do? I couldn't do anything. I just took the bullet and hoped for the best. I'm just happy my son is fine, that the bird didn't just fly off the windshield 50 miles an hour and hit my son or me or anything like that. Things could have been a lot worse. The grill is fine. You know, that's replaceable. I was going to replace that online anyway with something aftermarket, something a little bit nice to modernize it a little bit because I'm not too much with the chrome look. The hood, you know, I can probably pop that out. If not, I'm gonna probably get a aftermarket, maybe like a CSL hood or something like that. But I just want to let you guys know everything's fine. You know, I will continue to move on. This is just a tiny little stumbling block, and I know all of us, we go through things. Don't let anyone stop you from accomplishing anything you want to do in life. You're more than capable of doing it. I have so many negative people in my life try to stop me from doing things that I love to do and just down me, but look where I'm at now. I'm moving forward. I'm not going to let anyone stop me, and I want the same for you. I'm Tony Rivera. This is Dream Car Driving. I'm going to let this off at this note. Take care. Enjoy your beautiful day wherever it's at.